Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make the PS papers from the turmeric powder. That the turmeric is the natural indicator. So the material we needed is one paper, one scissor, water, turmeric powder, and dropper and stunning glue. Now first we start the method. First we need to cut the paper the shape in which you want. I am cutting in the straight line. And now cut in the small pieces. I will show you the PS paper that you don't have. Don't worry, I am showing how to make, but I have small PS paper. See, I have the small PS paper, and it is in the yellow color. That is turmeric, made up of turmeric. That is natural indicator. So let's start now. First, I have cut the paper and cut in the small strips like this. I have cut into 3 slips. Now we make the paste of turmeric powder and we take in this from the water by dropper. We don't want to make the thin, it has to be made by paste. I'm using turn glue. See, I have made the paste. I will show you. So it is liquid water, so I am showing you by the liquid. So now we dip this paper in the paste that I have made. Any type of bowl you will use. I am using steel bowl, aluminum. After this done properly, I will keep in the sun that dries quickly. Now I am taking out the paper. See, both type of paper, but it is liquid, so the drop is falling. Now I'm putting on the outside one by one. So now we keep the paper in the sun for some time to dry it. After that it becomes the PS paper like this. So guys, I have keep the paper in the sun for some time. I will show that the PS paper is working or not. But it definitely works. I have made so many PS papers at home during lockdown. So for any questions, please write in the chat box. I If you want to buy PS paper from the Amazon, it become mostly 50 something. I don't know exact money, but I have ordered from the Amazon full kit. So and the PS paper, I will show you by dipping PS paper in the soap solution or lime solution, that is lemon juice, and you be like from any acid, that is citric acid, oxalic acid, something like you want to do. So guys, our litmus paper, that is PS paper, is ready. See, now I will show you that the PS paper is working in the lemon juice and the soap water. See, this is lemon juice and this is the soap water. Now I am taking the soap water to show you that the PS paper is working or not. See, I am dipping the PS paper. See, the color has changed to red. So the PS paper is red. So the PS paper that I have the number like this. See, so the number that matches with the number 1. So this is that I dip in soap water. Now I am dipping in the lemon juice, but it does not change. See, it has changed into the yellow color, light yellow color. This is the light yellow color, and in this the number is 5. They're showing this color. So I have tried in the soap solution and the lemon juice. You also can try in another solution that you want. In water it does not come. See, it does not change in water. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share, subscribe and like. Please, thank you.